Hey everyone, Neely here. I'm going to show you how to add websites and clients to your GoDaddy Pro dashboard, how to connect them together, and then I'll show you how to request permission for delegate access. This allows you to manage your clients' products and even purchase new products on their behalf. Let's check it out, starting with adding websites. The starting point is our GoDaddy Pro dashboard. To add a website, you can go to the site screen and you'll see a link to add a new site, or you can click the plus in the upper left corner and choose Add Website, which is what we're going to do. To add a website, it's as easy as entering the homepage URL of the site you want to add and then click Add Website. If you're adding lots of sites, you can add as many as you want. Just use a comma to separate each URL. The sites you add don't have to be WordPress, and if they are, they don't have to be hosted by GoDaddy. However, all features may not be supported, or some features may have associated costs if it isn't. For example, you can still get an uptime monitor and do performance and security checks on non-WordPress sites, but you can't update your site, create backups, or migrate it to another server. If the website you're adding is hosted by GoDaddy and in your GoDaddy account, click the Import GoDaddy Websites tab. The last tab, Import from File, is how you can upload CSV files from your computer. Now let me show you how to add a new client. You can do this from the Clients page, from the Sites page, or by clicking the plus in the header and choosing Add Client. That's what we're going to do. Enter your client's first name, last name, and company name, then choose Save. By adding a client, you can track a client's GoDaddy product purchases, access and manage their GoDaddy products, send recommended shopping lists to them, or do shopping on their behalf. I'll show you how to do that in a moment. First, let me show you how to connect your new client to their website. To do this, navigate to the site screen. You can either select the site from the list, click Clients, and select the clients from the drop-down list, or you can navigate to the Clients tab to see more details. That's what we're going to do. Locate your new client and click the Assign Website button. Enter the website URL that you want to tie to that client. It's that easy. Now, if you navigate back to the site screen, you'll see the client's name next to their site. The last thing I want to show you is how to request delegated access, which we recommend you do for any of your clients that use GoDaddy hosting. This gives you access to their GoDaddy products page so you can shop on their behalf. To start, select Clients from the left nav and click on the client's name. Click the Request Access link. There are two different access levels. You can request access to manage products only, or you can request access to manage products and purchase products using credit cards stored in the client's profile. For security and peace of mind, you can let your clients know that you don't have access to view or modify their payment information. Let's select that we want to manage products and purchases and click Next. An email template appears. Enter your client's email address. The subject and message defaults to what you see here. If you want to alter the message, you can. When the email looks good, click Send Email. Your client will receive an email asking them to log in and grant you access. Once they do this, you can purchase GoDaddy products on their behalf. Using the GoDaddy Pro dashboard makes it easy for you to add and manage new sites and clients. I'm Neely. Thanks for stopping by.